Hello, welcome to or back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren and I post all things fashion, lifestyle, and my small business. So we are in girl boss mode. We are doing business girl things. I'm going to be taking you to the post office today. We're gonna go get me some money and we're gonna go thrifting. I think we're gonna go thrifting for like 3 different people today. I'm not really sure. It's already 12 o'clock. Thankfully the thrift store doesn't close until like 6, so it's gonna take about an hour to get out of town, get all the way over there and start thrifting. So let's get on the road, but first let me show you my outfit. For today's outfit, I wanted to be very casual and I wanted to base my whole outfit around these shoes. I've shown these shoes in a couple different videos, but they're literally like a cloud. I don't know how else to explain it. They're literally a cloud and they are just going to be perfect for thrifting. I know it. I don't know why, but whenever I thrift for hours at a time, my back's hurting, my neck is hurting, everything is hurting. So we're gonna try out these shoes. If these are good, then that's gonna be so amazing. But yeah, I wanted to base my outfit around these shoes. So I just have these tan white sweat shorts. They're from Ross and I cut them. That's why they look a little jagged. Then I have this white top from Target that I just cropped. I have this thrifted bag that was in a style swap a few months ago. And then of course I just put my hair up in a ponytail and I am ready to go. I feel like I am slacking. I guess that's the good part about having your own business, because you're your own boss and you can make your own schedule. So let's get on the road. Okay, we're done at the bank. Now let's go thrifting. Hello, so we are at the thrift shop. It is 1:30 as we are about to go in. I have a couple of people to style and they are sort of difficult because it's not usually items that I see here. So the stylings that I'm doing today are just going to take a while, so I am expecting to be in here for a few hours. So let's just get inside. Taking me a little bit longer because of how busy it is. I kind of have to wait for people to get out of the aisles and stuff, but I am still my first person. This one is taking a bit longer because I actually messed up on her bundle the first time that I sent it, so now I'm re-thrifting for her and I'm just sending her pictures and making sure everything is perfect and just how she wants it. That's it. And finally semi-done. I only got done with 3 different people, but I still had one more person to do. I didn't do her because I'm too tired. My feet are hurting, my arms are hurting, everything's hurting, and I gotta go home. As you heard, I didn't finish everyone that I wanted to style today because I still have one more stop to do, and it is 4:39. I went in at 1:30. I'm tired and it's about to storm. I have one more stop and I'm starving. My back is hurting, my feet are hurting. I still have to do all the pictures and everything when I get home. So I'll give you a little bit of rain ASMR. I love the rain, but I hate to drive in it because people already don't know how to drive. So the rain just makes it even scarier. All right, let's try. Okay, this is a change. So I am home safe. I actually laid down for about like 30 minutes and I was falling asleep. So I got back up and I am starting to take pictures of the items. So I'm gonna show you each of the bundles. I only got 3 done today. It took me a long time, so I'm gonna show you them. And then after this, I have to wash them. And for each of them, I have to take Polaroids of them. I have to wash them. I have to create the digital style guide, and then I can package them. And you guys are coming along for every bit, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so let me show you this first bundle. She likes a very artsy look and lots of Y2K pops of color. So this is what I have for her. Don't mind the ratchet setup. I would usually be outside, but it's storming. I have these shorts for her, which are really cute. I actually just cut them because they were way longer, but then I rolled them up so she can either have the raw hem or she can roll them up, whatever she prefers. Then all over her Pinterest was a graphic t-shirt and striped long sleeve, so I have these two put together. When I saw this t-shirt, I thought it was adorable and I had to gift it to someone, so I'm so happy that she liked it. Then for the second outfit, there are these pink pants. They just look very worn in but still really nice. And then I also saw all over her Pinterest lots of cardigans like this where people just layered a white t-shirt underneath, so I'm going to give her this cardigan. And don't worry about that stain, I haven't washed the items yet, that's next, but I will spray all that I can and I will get that out there before I even send it to her. For her accessories, I have this bag, which I think is so cute and I think she's gonna love it. Then I have some bracelets, and she also said that she really likes headbands, but I couldn't find any at the thrift store for her, so I'm just going to give her these two clips. They still go with her aesthetic and I think she'll really like them. This is her finished bundle. Here is the next bundle. She described it as a dead goth fairy. Very unique, I know, but I loved it. So she actually bought two different things. She bought my $80 styling and then she bought my hot girl summer bundle. Let me just show you all that I got for her. So I have two skirts for her. There's this brown one and then there is this black one with little like pleats in it. A lot of her Pinterest showed details like that, so I thought she would really appreciate those. So for the first top, I wanted to create a look that I saw on her Pinterest where basically there was a top but it was kind of pulled down so that you could see this one. I am very bad at explaining, so let me just put the picture up. So I tried to recreate and it was actually Ann Taylor, so that's pretty cool. Then for the second top, again, it's just very like grungy, very cyber Y2K, very gothic. I think she'll really appreciate this. And then for her two extras, she wanted more earthy and pretty fairy vibes, so I found this, which is really cute and it has lace detailing and I think it's just really cute altogether. Lastly, I have this crochet cardigan because on her Pinterest she had a crochet look where she basically put like a cool graphic tee underneath this. It was showing obviously because it's crochet, so I wanted to definitely get her something crochet so she can create a look like that. Then for her accessories, I have this black handbag, I have a claw clip for her, and then I have a ring. So that is that complete bundle. And this is the last bundle. I'm so excited to show you guys. So they describe their style as grunge, 90s, and Y2K. I've been seeing that a lot recently and I don't know why or how it's coming back. It's just so cool to have people that want this aesthetic because that's literally what you see at the thrift store. These are not gonna get any more Y2K. They are the low rise, they have the flare leg, and just the wash is so perfect. But it doesn't stop there. Tell me this is not cyber Y2K to the max. But don't even stop there. Look, what does that say right there? I know, right? A Juicy Couture jacket. Like, I'm not even joking. Look, it says right there, Juicy Couture, all the diamonds and details and everything. I was so happy to find that. So I think that they're really gonna appreciate this because on their Pinterest, I saw a lot of like tracksuits. Sadly, I couldn't find the bottoms, but I'm just so happy that I found the top. And then for the accessories, I have these big sunglasses and this black ring. This ring is really cool because it actually like turns. Those are the bundles that I styled today. Now we're gonna take all this stuff and we're gonna put it in the wash. And then I will come back whenever I am doing something else for these bundles. First up, we have the peach vinegar dirty foot peeling sock. I'm actually not going to be trying these today because you have to wear these socks for about an hour and I'm actually in the process of heading out the door, but my sisters have tried things like this and they have great results, so I am very excited to try this. Next, we have the green tea and enzyme powder wash. I have never tried a powder wash, so I can say that this is my first time, but I absolutely loved it. I love the green tea smell. I know that green tea is really good for your skin, and because there is added green tea, it also exfoliates while cleansing your skin. That is like a 2-in-1 and that is really beneficial for your skin. Next, we have the AHA 7 Whitehead Power Liquid, which helps reveal a clear, radiant complexion and exfoliates your skin. With this product, I'm just adding it to a cotton pad and it is just really nice on the skin. In the summer, you're really trying to achieve that glowy skin and these products will definitely help. Next, we have the Pear Soothing Pad, which these come with a little tweezer and I love things like that. Whenever I put it on my skin, it was actually really amazing. It just felt really nice and it glided on my skin and it was kind of just like finishing off after all these products. Lastly is a mugwort heating pack face mask, which this is different than any other face mask that I've ever used because when you put it on your face, it gives a warm sensation. When I first put it on, I was kind of scared because my skin is very sensitive and I didn't want to irritate it in any way, so I thought it was gonna burn, but it doesn't burn. It just feels as if like you're putting a heating pad on your face, and I actually really like it. I don't mind it at all. I love the ingredients that are in this. They just make my skin feel so nice. So yeah, thank you so much YESSTYLE for granting me all these goodies. I am so excited to have a natural glow this summer. Hello, so it is actually the next day. I finally got the clothes washed and I am about to start packaging, but this process kind of just goes quickly and it's very tedious, so I think I'm going to turn this part into a time lapse, so I hope you enjoy. And just like that, I got done with all the packages. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to like and comment and check out the rest of my videos because I think that they're pretty cool, and you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. By the time I upload this video, I already relaunched my website. There's a bunch of bundles up, there's a bunch of solo items, so you should just go check everything out for yourself because you will not be disappointed. So yeah, okay, bye!